One of the ways by which you can go around and then group out emails that you receive inside of Gmail is by creating labels and assigning labels to the mails. So to do that, I'm going to go around and select, let's say, 2 emails that I have right here. And in order to assign labels to them, you can right click over here and go to label as. Once you do that, you can choose from one of the already created labels right here, like social right here, or maybe forms right here, just like this, and you can click on apply. Once you do that, what happens is that they are moved on to those particular labels. And to access those labels, you can click on more right here, just like this, and go to categories, and you can see social and forms right here, just like this. And as you click on this, you can see that the labels are there in all of the mails that we selected. If I were to go around over here, I can select out further mails right here, and I can go around onto label section over here as well, and I can create a new label over here as well. So I'm just going to go around over here and say, let's say for example, this is going to be TutorTube1 label right here, TutorTube1 group right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and click on create, then what happens is that they are assigned to that new label, and that label actually comes up over here under the label section. You can also go around over here and click on the plus button right here, and a new label is created. So I can go around over here and say something like example label right here, just like this, and I'm just going to click on create, and a label is here. So here in this label, there are 200 mails, and that's why it is showing that out right here. If I were to go around onto this label, now you don't see any mails. You can still see them in label, see the labeled emails in the inbox right here, but for those that we chose like social and then forms, you can see that they actually moved onto the categories section. So if I were to go around over here, I can actually go around and select this, and I can right click and label them out over here as, let's say for example, example label, and they'll move on over here as well. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So you can go to inbox as well, and you can right click and assign multiple labels as you want as well. So I'm just going to go around, assign 2 labels, and you can see the example label right here, just like this. And then you can see the TutorTube label over here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and then add in labels so that you can group out the emails according to how you want inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.